What's going on, guys? Day 7, road to funded, and I'm pretty late this morning, so let's just, oh shit. Yeah, let's just get into this. So, pretty late this morning. I don't have much time either. I gotta leave, like 10:15. I gotta go to work. So we're gonna try and see what we can do before that. But, yeah, so for today, again, I'm still learning daily bias. I don't know. I know crypto was up a ton today, and it just opened, and it's market's ripping. So I don't know if this is a high news day that I should not be trading, but um, yeah. So we got a lot of 4-hour key levels. We just swept 3 of them. Um, um, yeah. I saw so either this is Asian manipulation or this is accumulation, and then either this might have been the manipulation, but I thought this London session manipulation, and I thought we were gonna come down. So my bias today was bearish, but we are just completely ripping. So I don't know. Are we gonna see an entry or maybe we take out these highs and then we reverse? There's a possibility. I don't know. We'll find out. If we just keep ripping upwards and there's never an entry and there's no trades today, which would be kind of unfortunate, but I would really like to see if we started going down. Alright, so we're just gonna rip up all day. That's awesome. Good for the investment account. I want to take a trade so bad on a trade locker, but I mean, there's 0 entries. The only way to have made money today was to just fucking full port it open. Unreal. Unreal. Unless maybe we take out this high and then go down. That would be great. I think this is all-time highs also. Yeah, this is all-time highs. We're just gonna go up and sweep fucking all-time highs. Like, this isn't abnormal for a day, but the market's been open for fucking 20 minutes. Maybe we just needed to come up and sweep all this liquidity, and then the next couple days we're gonna go down. Maybe. But that's a pretty big movement. Swept to here. Is it all time? Is S&P? No. Might create an S&T. Here would be an inverse value. Maybe not yet. This could also be one. It's 9:50. I don't have much time. Come on. Do something. Alright. If we break this inverse for value gap, I'll probably enter a trade, whether it's recorded or in the car on the way to work. If we don't, then and we keep going up, then I'm not trading today. We also, as of right now, have a S&T. Looks like we might get a pretty solid entry on. Yes, I just want to make sure this isn't just going to be like a reversal to the and then back up to the upside. So I want to be careful of that, but yeah, if we close below this 5-minute inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute, then I am really confident. Come on. Alright, we got close. Still might be alright. Maybe not. Maybe it was just a dip like that and back up. But even then, I still don't have an entry, so I'm still confident with this SMT, and you know, actually, there's no SMT anymore because we just slipped it here too. So we just crossed all-time highs on Nasdaq. We never actually broke 5-minute structure either. I don't know. Maybe the market just wants to go up today. Might have a trade here. I'd like to see us just break structure. This could be our first loss for the day, or the first loss of the journey, honestly, but it could be a huge, huge win. Alright, I think I'm gonna enter. Alright, we are in on this trade. Looks like we're down so far, but yeah, I'm not gonna be able to stick around for this trade to play out. So yeah, kind of a sketchy entry, not really confident, but maybe I got my emotions get to me, and maybe I just wanted to take a trade, but we'll see how this plays out. And I'll come back later tonight after work and I'll do a recap of the trade. And yeah, so I will see you guys in a little bit. What's going on, guys? Just got back from work. It's about 4:19. Just got back, and I was watching this on the way to work, driving, and I think it closed right as I was pulling into work. So this ended up being a fantastic trade. We can go over to Trade Locker. We ended up making $6,113 on this trade. We have to get to 159, and we're at 158. So we are less than $800 away from passing our first funded, which is awesome. So let's look at the trade again. We ended up taking this trade on ES. We had a 4-hour key level up here. Yeah, 4-hour key level, which was right before market opened, I guess that was the high. So so we saw the Asian manipulation, as I said, into the London. I always mess this up. Yeah, so I could be wrong in saying this, but I believe this is a good example of the power of three. And maybe not, because we didn't reverse back down, but anyway, and yeah, we just waited patiently. I was almost took shorts after we took this high out, so I thought we were gonna get a short there, but then we just kept ripping up. We wanted to take out this 4-hour key level. That's fine. We came up. We did that on the 5-minute. We made a 5-minute inverse value gap, broke that, and then we came down to the 1-minute. And yeah, we broke that 5-minute fair value gap. Back on the 1-minute, we had like a 1-minute inverse fair value gap. We had, I guess, this 1-minute fair value gap that we touched into. And then we created this 1-minute inverse fair value gap. Broke that. I did want to wait because I was like, this kind of could go up. So I wanted to wait until we took out this low right here. This happened to be, what was it? I don't know what this, maybe I just made this like line up. I mean, I guess that's something. It was the bottom of this candle, whatever that is. But I just felt comfortable waiting until we closed below that. And then yeah, as soon as we did, we kind of got up a little bit. We almost did lose the trade. We almost got stopped out, but we held on, came back down. Yeah, we came back down. We took out these lows, and then we just ripped down. So yeah, pretty good trade. One thing I do want to look into is, I know when I watch TJR and some of the other traders, they show their trade locker, and it's like CJR has like, I could just do today. He would have like a bunch of like small trades. I want to look into that. I'm pretty sure he does that so that he can set different take profit levels, and have it immediately just take profit, because I don't think I wasn't around my computer. I was driving after I placed this trade, so I wasn't able to kind of play with it at all and figure out the buttons and what everything does when you're in a trade. But I'm pretty sure you can only set like one stop loss, and I'm pretty sure that's why he does that. So maybe that's something to look into. But today, even if I had known that and had done that, we can go back here. There weren't any other key levels. I mean, I'm sure we could have found some. Actually, yeah, I guess we really couldn't have, because it was all just candles like that. But maybe on the 15-minute we could. I mean, yeah, we came down to here. We could have tried this low, this low. So maybe there's some things to learn from that. Maybe we can try that out. Maybe this could have been one of our low take profits. This low could have been a take profit. This low could have been a take profit. But there's always things to improve on. But yeah, that's kind of the next area I want to attack. So I think tomorrow what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a new account with a new $150,000 balance, and that's gonna be our second practice funded account. Tomorrow we're gonna try and just take a small little trade just to pass this. Not a lot of risk. And then yeah, we're gonna also enter on the new account, try and pass another funded. So I want to pass 3 paper fundeds, and then I'll actually try to get funded. And I think we're gonna go with Top Step first. Try and get a 150K account with Top Step, and then if things keep going really well, I think we're gonna try and do a Top Step account and a $200,000 Apex account. But that is at least a month in the future, I think, for me. Maybe probably more, but um, yeah, we're doing good. Little $6,113 on a beautiful trade today. Really proud, really happy with this trade. Waited patiently, and yeah, took what the market gave me. So appreciate you guys for watching. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Good day today, and yeah, thanks guys.